All right, before we continue, let's move the gaskincoin folder to download folder because I'm using Chromebook. So I can't access those files except I do them in download. In the download, that is for us to see the content of those files, the folders and all that. So I'll do this, move gaskincoin to um, downloads. So downloads, cd gaskincoin. Okay. What I'm the reason for doing so, if you're using a Chromebook laptop, is because of for so I can access it. I can access the folder. This is my file. So this is it. So I can access the content. So I can look at uh, open it and access the content. Remember we did this. We open it in the terminal. Remember we opened this in the terminal. Remember we open this in the terminal. So okay, so right now we're in the source. This is source folder, content of the source. So let's go back to our terminal. So let's go. We'll be able to look at this, the config, this particular file, this particular one. So let's look at source, cd source. Then what you need to know here, the major thing you need to know, take note of, is this particular one, this particular file, this one. Take note of this file in the source, and take note of this file, this other one, this two, this one. Take note of um take note of this particular two, this one, this one. um Take note of this. Take note of this particular one also, this particular one here, this particular and this particular one also. I take note of those ones. So we'll be taking note of those particular ones, those five for now. Then that of the qt folder. So the qt folder, you need to know the qt folder. So we'll take off this particular, we'll talk of these ones. Let's go back. So we are in the source. I told you earlier that what we need to take care of. Well, let me list. I'm going to list them out. What you need to take note of. You need to take note of this amount.h. You need to take note of amount.h. Um, let's open this particular one. So one, amount.h. V. Number two, is this. Number three, this particular two, client.h. Number four. Okay. Okay. So what we'll do in the next video, I'm going to list them completely. I'll list them completely for us to know the particular things we need. So we're going to work with those things instantly. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you see more new videos. Thank you for watching.